To transfer Shiba Inu from Crypto.com to Robinhood, start by opening your Crypto.com account and navigating to the Accounts page. Here you will see a list of all your available assets, including Shiba Inu. Click on the Shiba Inu asset to view its details and find the withdraw option. Before initiating the withdrawal, ensure you have the Robinhood wallet address for Shiba Inu. Open your Robinhood account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Search for Shiba Inu and click on it to view its details. Click on the deposit option and copy the wallet address provided. Return to your Crypto.com account and paste the Robinhood wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Shiba Inu you want to transfer and review the transaction details, including any applicable fees. Confirm the transaction and wait for the withdrawal to be processed. It is essential to note that Robinhood has specific requirements for cryptocurrency deposits, including a minimum deposit amount and a waiting period before the funds are available for trading. Additionally, ensure you are transferring the correct asset, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. To avoid any issues, double-check the wallet address and the asset you are transferring. It is also crucial to be aware of any market fluctuations and potential price changes during the transfer process. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully transfer Shiba Inu from Crypto.com to Robinhood.